When your mom catches you not taking that afternoon nap. How to teach your dog to bark like a pro. Prepare to burst into laughter with this ridiculously silly dog's antics. When you try to fit 3 energetic dogs in a car, chaos ensues. Unleashing the ultimate doggy comedy show. When you desperately need a friend, but all you get is a tumbleweed rolling by. When a dog's tail chasing mission turns into a hilarious water adventure. Dogs be like, skills on fleek, human.